Lucas here with FastCap. This is an old product of ours called the TapeNix. What it's meant for is when you first install cabinets or drawers, haven't done hardware yet, it can be a huge pain in the butt to try to get these open, especially when you're doing a standard only 1/8 inch gap. So with TapeNix, it just slips right over the drawer and gives you a little pull handle. So you can easily get into all of your drawers before you've installed the hardware. Even makes installing the hardware easier if you keep a set of these with you, bring it to every job site, stick them on when you put them in, and then when you go install the hardware, it's easy to get into there. Now, this new one we have is called a Flexible TapeNix. It's made out of a different material. It's way cheaper, which you're gonna love, and less likely to mar anything up. Actually works as a bumper, and it's an 1/8 inch spacer. So if you're installing with 1/8 inch, once you've set this one, you can actually just set this one right on top of these nice soft bumpers. It'll space it for you, and it'll act like a handle. These are also great, these soft ones, for shipping and flat packing. So you can ship panels flat packed, use these as spacers between them so you don't get damaged, and you can even run strapping around these and use this top edge to protect from strapping. Flexible TapeNix from FastCap.com. Get yours today, save yourself some struggle.